Welcome back. Today I got the Kinzo hand tool, padlock, Vorhängeschloss, Cadenas, the hang slot, which is English, German, I think it's Italian, and hang slot I guess is Dutch. So, here. You see it's coated somehow. Let's do an out of the pack. It's 40mm. We got 3 keys in here. And last time I picked one of those cheap. I got this one from Italy actually. This Kinzo. I was there on a business trip a couple of weeks back, and yeah, this is what I brought back. I got 1 or 2 other locks. I will try to pick out of the pack. Let's try to figure out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. I'm sorry, I have to sneeze. I'm sorry. So I got 5 pins in here. Holy shit, the core already splits. And I just try to... Can you see that? So I have to be very careful. The last time I broke the lock actually. Click on 2. Trying to be very careful, it's not my strong suit. Let's see how I can maybe do it differently. Alright, so let's try it again. Last time I had one of those, I broke it. Not one of the Kinzos, it was an American cheap lock. So I gotta click on 1. Click on 2. Click on 3. Click on 4. There's 5. Still closed. Let's try a deeper hook. Okay, 1 is good. 2 is good. It was already open. I was too afraid to break it. So, as you can see, cheap lock, easy to pick. And just don't tension it too strong, because then you will, as you can see, already start splitting the core. So you need to be very careful. That was a Kinzo 5-pin 14mm padlock, which I bought in Italy. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.